All right, this is a typical full spine adjustment at PhysioChiroWellness.
Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Good.
I heard that one.
Deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Very good. Turn to your side, face me. Twist your arm. Focus on that shoulder going right back. One leg straight. Sorry, one leg straight. And the other one bent. Perfect. Deep breath in. And breathe out. Just relax your lower back. Good. You okay? Good. We're going to turn right around to the other side. Again, focus on that shoulder going all the way up. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Let that shoulders go. Good. You okay? Good. And lie right on your back. You okay? Good. Now you can slowly roll over and you can kind of get up. You're all done.
And that's a full spine adjustment at PhysioChiroWellness. How do you feel, Ken?
Very good.
All right.